Hey guys, it's Kelly from The Glamorous Blonde and welcome back to my YouTube. So I got a few requests to do a fun holiday hairstyle, and of course braids are always in and they're always fun. So if you want to see how I created this super easy hairstyle in under 2 minutes, keep on watching. What I'm going to do first to create this hairstyle is I'm going to brush all of my hair so that it's really easy to work with and there's no tangles in there. I always use a wet brush because it doesn't pull on my hair. This style does work best if your hair is a little bit dirty. So if it's not dirty, a little trick I like to use is I'll put some dry shampoo at my roots and then also throughout my hair to give it some texture. But my hair is day 3, so it's definitely dirty enough for this look. Okay, now that I brushed through my hair and it's really easy to use, I'm gonna go in at my root right here and just give it a little bit of a tease to give it some volume. To give my braid more hair, I'm gonna take a little bit of the hair on this side of my face and pull it over. So now my part is super deep. And I'm going to get that hair and again, just lightly tease it so it wants to stay right there. So that's the part that I'm creating. Okay, now that I have my hair exactly how I want it, I'm gonna go in with a super small top layer and just go straight across right there, and I'm gonna start my braid. For this look, I'm going to do an inside out braid. So you're gonna get your 3 strands like that, and instead of going over, I'm going to go under. So I'm gonna take that first piece and go underneath that first strand and pull out this. Then take that back piece and go underneath that strand. So I'm creating a braid. I'm gonna do that one more time, but this time I'm gonna add some hair right there and go underneath. As I'm doing this, I wanna make sure that it's going flat and I'm pulling my hair at a diagonal to the back so that it's gonna lay flat once I'm done. So again, same thing, cross under, and now I have my braid. Notice I'm only pulling pieces on that first part. So again, my first step, pull some hair, pull it back so it lays flat, separate it, then take that top piece and then go underneath that side and then repeat again. Notice the strand is really, really thin. I haven't added any hair to it yet. So I'm going to take that strand, add some hair, pull it to that back diagonal, separate, and then cross under, cross under. I'm gonna keep doing that on this side. Once you get to be about where behind your ear is, that's when I'm just gonna continue to braid my hair and not add any hair to that. So we just continue to braid it, and I braid a little bit past my ear, almost to the back of my head, so that I have a lot of extra braid. Now, one of the most important parts, I could definitely clip it like this and I'd be done and good and it will stay, but to make it look a little bit thicker, I'm going to lightly hold the end and I'm going to pick pieces apart and just make them a little bit bigger. So I'm creating more of that 3D effect. And you wanna kinda go a little bit so that if you mess up, it's not the end of your braid, start all over. So I just pick apart both sides of my braid very lightly. And that's why I tease the top so it will stand up a little bit more and just be a little bit thicker. And there's my thicker braid. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna pin it with some bobby pins right there. Okay, last but not least, I would definitely hairspray this so that it stays, but there you go, super easy way to get your bangs out of your face. It's really fun and festive for any holiday parties. and it looks super like bohemian. You could even add like a ribbon in there if you wanted to. That's super fun and easy, but this way my hair is like out of my face, kind of half up, half down, but I still have hair on this side and all that good stuff. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Super easy, super simple, and easy for everyday use. I hope you guys like this video, and if you try it, let me know. Thanks guys.